3, 2, 1.
Welcome to the first ever 2N on-air live stream. Thank you very much for joining in. We have prepared an interesting content for you.
We believe you can learn things about our products that will help you to increase your business and your profitability.
Combine it on one installation, have it without any answering units, any physical ones, have just the mobile phones or combination.
You can engage or open the lock remotely through the application without them needing to call you through it.
We would like to use this opportunity to share the information about new products, new technologies, and what is coming up in the near future.